Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills times Amrezy Highlight, and I love Amrezy. She's the queen of glow, so I'm really excited to be showing you guys how I feel about this. And actually I got two of them, so stay tuned till the end of the video and maybe you could win one. I've already been using this, so it's not going to be a first impressions, but every time I do use it, I'm shook. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. I love the little stars and the rose gold detail. It comes in black packaging, and then when you open it up, it's like the same as the outside, and it has Amrezy in this nice font, and it has like all these stars around it because she's gonna glow like a star. So let's open it up and show you guys. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it has all these waves, which I love because it's very unique to a highlighter. And it also comes with a mirror. This is priced $28 and it's on the ABH website, and it's going to be available in Sephora later this upcoming month. So the highlight is this nice, cool, like champagne gold, like a light champagne gold, but it's very complementary to like many skin tones. So the thing I love about this highlight packaging is the waves, because not only is it unique, but also when you dip your brush in it, there's like no fallout. So it doesn't really make a dent in it. So I'm really excited to see how long this will last me. I'm pretty sure it's going to last a while because of the fact that there's no fallout. Like, I can shake it and nothing comes out. Even when you put your brush on it, there's like no fallout. So all the product goes directly on the brush, which is amazing. And that's like really amazing that she found a way to do that. So that's already a big point in this highlight because it's already different. It has this wave effect and it doesn't really lose product, which is amazing because this should last you a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. So I'm just gonna go against one of the waves. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. And just look at how pigmented that is. So it's a nice like light champagne glow, and it's so pretty. So this complements a variety of skin tones. So I'm going to show you how it looks on me. I'm going to highlight as much as I can. And I love that this is also a buildable highlight. So first when you swipe it, it's going to come out light. And then as you build it up, you get that Amrezy glow that you bought this for. I'm using this Wet n Wild brush. It does look dirty, but I swiped it on my hand and there's nothing on it. So I'm going to go ahead and just use it. So I'm just going to go ahead and swipe it. As you can see, look, there's no fallout. You can't really tell if it's picking up the product, but I promise you it is. There's like no powder coming off of this, which is amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the high points of my cheeks. I mean, that's like the lightest hand, and it's so pretty. Look, I didn't even have to dip back in, and it's already buildable just with the product that's on my brush. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that. I do have texturized skin at the moment, so just keep that in mind, that it might emphasize texture. So the way that she recommends that you use this is you put on your foundation and everything normally. So I had my foundation, my concealer, my whole makeup routine. But she says don't put powder in these areas. She said she normally does not put powder in these areas. She usually just puts it under her under eyes and like her contour areas. So she recommends not putting powder here so that it can like melt into your skin. I didn't put powder here, so it like looks amazing. Look at that. So now we gotta do the other side. So what you do notice is as you go on it, there's like little, like you can see that it's being used, but it's not coming off the product, which is amazing. Do you see that? like a different experience every time I use it. So now I'm going to dip back in so that I can intensify it, even though this is already amazing. Now I'm glowing. I mean, just look at that glow, and it melts into your skin, so it looks like it's a part of your skin and that it's not a layer that's just sitting on top of your skin, which I like because when it's a layer on top of my skin it looks very texturized, but this kind of looks like it's glowing from my skin. And I'm also going to be putting it on my nose, so I'm going to take a little bit with my finger and then demo of my Anastasia Beverly Hills times Amrezy highlight. As you can see, I love it. Look at this glow. Like, how pretty is this? This is gonna look even prettier in the sunlight. Just, I'm shook. I love this. I love the fact that there's no fallout, so I can use as much as I want and it doesn't really waste product. Like, even if you tap off the excess, there's no excess. So whatever you pick up is whatever's going on your face, which is amazing. You're not wasting the highlight. That this is limited edition, so you don't want to waste this. Also, this, I love the buildable coverage, so you can start off slow and then look how pretty it goes. Even if I put another layer, it's gonna look even more poppin'. So congrats Amrezy on your collab. I love this, and because I love this so much, I got 2 of them, but I'm going to give 1 of them away. So if you want to glow like Amrezy and her Resi Writers, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you're following us on our Instagram, because when I get these products, I do an Instagram unboxing, so you can watch that and be up to date with what I buy and what's coming next, and you can vote on what videos you like. So make sure you're following us on Instagram, you're subscribed to our channel, and once you do all that, just comment on the video, done, and this could be yours. I'll let this go on for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, we'll pick a winner. So if you like these kind of reviews, short and simple, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel and have on post notifications so you can see the next time we review a new product. As for this, I totally recommend you getting this. It's amazing. It's very unique. Packaging is unique. Everything is so pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.